I even have a big photo on my res wall
Of you.
for the photo of me as a family, me, her and the child.
So manje uzenzani mafika endlini?
Awuyazi, obvious isikhulu.
Uzoyikhipha?
Demolish it once and for all. Confiscate, demolish, delete. Yonke into nje enaye delete.
Yo. Ay pandemic.
I'm hurt, but I'm hurt. I don't want to lie.
Okay, should get drop.
I drop out school, drop.
Get drop really. Any advice about Mjolo to people who are watching?
School, I'm hurt, bro. Because lo muntu lona indlela benimthanda ngayo.
And le mali we spendile iningi.
So much I've spent because I wanted to make sure ukuthi yena nomntana ba right. But now into angenzele yona school
ayikho right.
She's hurt me the most. She broke me, but she broke me. If I won't be needing counseling, I don't know, but
sizokusiza mfethu.
Ingayijabulela no school. Ngayijabulela but.
Yo. Guys, this is your boy Lile Hlogonolo. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Follow me on Instagram @Lile_Hlogonolo. See you on the next episode. Dango.